Hi everyone, this is the last set of trigonometry. The difficulty level is hard. So, sorry for the drawing again. I don't draw very well. The equation of the line M is shown. It's M is in blue, and this is the equation. Given that angle A is an acute angle formed by the intersection of line M and the y-axis, which expression could be used to find the measure of angle A? So basically, we know that you need to know, basically we're starting at 5 here, but we're going to use Sohcahtoa on that, and we're trying to find what expression can find this angle. So it doesn't appear that you need to know too much, except that you need to know the slope is -3/4. So what you can do is you can kind of go, this is, since this is the line, go down 3/4 here. So this is the area in here that they're looking at. Okay, so of this angle we have adjacent, and this is opposite. And so looking at the answer choices, if this is adjacent and this is opposite, this side is 3. Let me do that in purple. This is 3, and this is 4. So we know that adjacent over opposite is, we need opposite over adjacent. So opposite over adjacent is tan. And so we would use tan of A is opposite over adjacent, and opposite is 4, and adjacent is 3. So we would use answer C. Okay? Now next we have this one here. The area of the triangle shown is 12 square inches. What's the value of cosine of Z? So I think we know the area. We're going to do find the height of the triangle. Let's do that. And I think that will help us out. So area equals 1/2 base times height, because that's a known we have. So area equals 1/2. The base is 8, and we'll look for the height. And area we know is 12. So this would be 4h. So my h equals 3. So this is 3, and we're looking for a cosine of 3. So we have opposite, and we need adjacent, because we want cosine. So we don't have is this length right in here. And that's what we need to find. So let's go ahead and use the Pythagorean theorem, and we're going to get 3 squared plus a squared, I'm going to call this a, plus a squared equals 2 square root of 3 squared. So we get 9 plus a squared equals 4 times 3. So a squared equals 12 minus 9. So a equals the square root of 3. So finally we're going to use Sohcahtoa, and cosine, so this answer here is square root of 3. Use Sohcahtoa and we get adjacent over hypotenuse, and adjacent of Z is square root of 3, and the hypotenuse is 2 square root of 3, and when you cancel out the square root of 3's, they divide them out, that will be 1/2. So your answer is A. Okay. Last one is very wordy. So go ahead and read it, and while you're doing that, I'm going to draw it. basically, it's not drawn, none of these triangles I draw are drawn to scale. I'm just going to kind of draw a generic triangle here. And I'm going to write down, this is going to be my X, my Y, and my Z. And the information they give us is 15 and 12. Alright? So, trigonomic functions are ratios. So it doesn't matter whether X is an angle in a huge triangle or a small one. Tan of X will always be the same, and that's what we're looking. We're looking for tan of K. So basically, all we have to do is find this one and find it. We don't even need to bother drawing HJK and finding 1/5 of all the side of the lengths. It's just unnecessary. So we're just going to draw this one. Because the angle, it doesn't matter how big, the angle is the angle. So this is a multiple of 3, 4, 5 triangle. Specifically, if you went up to 5, it would be 9. Well, it's really 9, 12, 15, but you can reduce that. So that's specifically what it is. Anyway, so which makes the missing side going to be 9 here. Just know your triples. So we know that tan of Z equals opposite over adjacent, which equals 9 over 12 to 9, which equals 3 over 4. This is a griddable, so you can either write it as 3/4, or you can write it as 0.75. Okay, that's all. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.